Hi, Pat here. I have a Pioneer amplifier model SA520. I did do a video on this a little bit ago, but I wasn't happy with the square wave. Right there I got 400 Hertz square wave going in there, and it really ain't that square. So I'm going to do a little recapping, see if I can't change that. I'm going to start off in the power supply here and just do that section, see if it changes anything. I replaced these 5 caps in the power supply. I really didn't expect it to do much. I'm still running at 400 Hertz and then clean up the square waves all. I got all this area in here recapped, and now the square wave looks much better. I'm still running at 400 Hertz. So that's a big improvement there. And it's the phono section down here. I'm going to go ahead and change those caps out. I got 1000 Hertz sine wave going through it right now. So let's turn the volume up all the way. That's all the way. Nice clean signal. And I'm running 17 volts. That'll be about 36 watts per channel. I got everything back together. I got it set up with its matching tuner. Right now I got tape going. And I got a record spinning here too. And the tuner.
We do all the work, you have all the fun. Events and Adventures is a social club for singles.
So everything came out pretty good. Thanks for watching the video.